Hi, my name is Oscar David Sanchez. This is Alter Ego Activity. My alter ego is my boss. Personal information. I studied 3 semesters of industrial engineering. I'm a transportation analyst. Achievements. I have developed several productivity indicators. I found several transportation strategies. Travels. I have the opportunity to travel to Medellin for business. I was sent to Portugal to know different areas of company. Memorable experience. I graduated as a bachelor in 2008. Reached my first promotion as a supervisor in 2017. Might do in the future. I might buy a great house if I was a transportation coordinator. Things you have not done. I have not yet parachuted. I already got on a plane. Thanks for watching.